to my channel. My name is Patty and I'm building a garden from scratch, and I'll be bringing you guys along and be showing the mistakes that I will be making, okay? But today's video is just a quick one. I've gotten some emails from you guys regarding the vision board that I did at the beginning of the year. If you haven't seen the vision board, I'm gonna link it up here, and you guys have been asking how you can help. I've been responding to any of you guys because I don't have a PO box, and I'm trying to get a PO box. I'm on a wait list because we don't have. I'm in a small town, but I should be able to get one in the next few weeks. And once I do that, I will link it in my description. Also, I don't want you guys to worry too much about sending stuff because I've already gotten a lot of clothes, which I'm actually gonna show you guys. I have about 4 bags now that I've been able to pick up. My neighbors have also dropped some off. The only things I'm lacking now is like flip-flop, and then the kids like school bags and some little kids shoes. So yeah, so I just wanted to throw that out there. So if you can't send anything and I don't post a PO box, please don't worry. But let me just show you guys what I already have. Some of the things are so cool. Hey guys, so here it is. I have about 4 bags. I don't know if you guys can see this. I have one here, one black bag. I have another one here. I have another one here. And then I have one sitting on a chair, all right? All this have been given to me by people and my neighbors, and I have so many clothes in here, with the exception of like shoes and like bags, like little kids bags and flip-flops, like I said, all right? But let me show you some of the clothes, right? All of this have been washed and cleaned. They smell really good. Because if they didn't smell good, I'll probably wash this myself before I package it. Also, I forgot to mention that the barrel has arrived. I'm going to show you a clip of the barrel. I put it in my basement. I just didn't want to bring it up. Hey guys, so this is the barrel right here in the basement. I usually do 2, but I'm having a hard time finding another one, so I'm just going to do this one for now once I'm able to fill it. Yeah, so this is where I usually send when I send stuff back, you know, that has all the things that we're talking about. But yeah, so this, you know, I tell people if you have anything on, it doesn't matter, you know, but yeah. And then look at this here. This is a nice one. It doesn't have anything on it, nothing on the back. Very nice clothes. And then they have right here, there's like a toy on there. This I think will probably fit a girl or maybe somebody, you know, I don't know. And then I have some nice jackets. It doesn't get too cold there, but look at these. These are so nice. These will probably, like, let me see. And I promise I'm not gonna keep this for myself. These are so nice. Look at this. This actually fits me, right? But I promise I'm not gonna keep this though. So, yeah. And then I have, let me see here. I have so many clothes right now. But I feel like these are for like older kids when I'm looking for, this is also like very nice. Look at this here. Let me see. Jesus. Okay. Do the right thing, I'm telling myself. All right, so yeah, so these are like, see, little kid stuff. You know, I have some like stuff. So I do have a kind of clothes. I may have to get like extra little kid stuff because some of these things I feel for like people that are a lot older. You know what I mean? I mean, they can grow into the clothes, but yeah. But I just quickly wanted to come on here. Look at this. You know, yeah, so I just want to come on and show you guys some of the bags that I already have. And if I don't post a PO box, don't worry about sending anything because I already have like 4 bags. Okay. I like white, so let me see. All right, I'm going. Yeah, so look at this. I have 1. This is the first one. 2 bag. Okay. I have the 3rd one right here. And then I have the fourth one right here. I tell them to put it in a trash bag because it just makes it so easier for me to sort, and I can just like, I have a bigger space to put everything in. So yeah, so this is just a quick update, and once I get the PO box, guys, I am going to link it down below. I hope you enjoyed this very quick video. I just wanted to say thank you. I've made so many friends been on YouTube now, and I just wanted to know that you guys mean a lot to me, and I hope you guys stay safe. All right, I will see you in my next video. Bye.